Mr. President, Alaska faces some pretty tough times, and I just want to thank the minority who made the time to meet with me yesterday to talk about different items in this budget. I respect the amendments that they brought onto the floor today, the grace with which they carried the amendments, the professionalism in action and reaction here on the floor. As money gets tight, we turn to attorneys to advise legislative bodies, and we're getting a variety of opinions, which is helpful in many instances and confusing in others for those of us who aren't attorneys or haven't attended law school, like several members of our body have done. Mr. President, this budget reduces $112 million from what the governor proposed. That wasn't an easy job. I'd like to compliment my chief of staff as well as our legislative finance team who worked very hard to scrub those numbers. We went agency by agency into deferred maintenance and asked whether the current funds that they were requesting were really necessary, and when they weren't, they agreed with us and allowed us to reduce that funding. They came back and advocated for more funds, and we added a few more funds back that we had previously withdrawn. Mr. President, it's tough times. It requires tough decisions, and the Senate has risen to that occasion. We wish there was more money to spend and turn in our economy. And maybe if we have some other pieces of legislation successfully passed, that might be possible in a subsequent year. Mr. President, the credit raters nationally are watching us. Several days ago, we were put on that negative watch again. Mr. President, they're waiting for action, and we are trying to provide that action by doing what is responsible inside the means of our budget. This budget takes prudent steps that are necessary to leverage as many federal dollars as possible. In total, it is a capital budget of $1.6 billion. Again, I appreciate your support and those of legislative finance and my team that helped put this and bring this to you today. With that, I'd ask for a yes vote.